Welcome to an in-depth look at one of the most critical safety features in your vehicle, the airbag system. Let's explore how it works. The primary purpose of an airbag is to cushion vehicle occupants during a collision, preventing severe injuries by limiting the impact with the vehicle's interior. The entire process begins the instant a severe collision occurs. But how does the car know it's happening? Cars are equipped with multiple crash sensors, including accelerometers, that constantly monitor the vehicle's speed and rapid deceleration. These are key to detecting an impact. The data from these sensors is sent to the Central Electronic Control Unit, or ECU. The ECU analyzes the impact severity in milliseconds to determine if deployment is necessary and which airbags to fire. Once the ECU confirms a serious crash, it triggers the deployment sequence, a rapid chain reaction involving chemical propulsion. An electrical current heats a filament, which ignites a solid chemical propellant, often sodium azide. This chemical reaction is the core of the inflation mechanism. The ignited propellant rapidly produces a large volume of non-toxic nitrogen gas. This gas immediately inflates the folded nylon airbag. This whole process happens incredibly fast, in about 20 to 30 milliseconds, which is quicker than the blink of an eye. Airbags are designed to be fully inflated before the occupant moves forward significantly in the crash. Beyond just rapid inflation, the design of the airbag itself is crucial for effective protection. Airbags are typically made of strong nylon fabric and have vent holes. These vents allow the gas to escape immediately upon impact, providing a controlled deceleration for the occupant. By absorbing the impact and distributing the force, the airbag dramatically reduces the likelihood of serious head and chest injuries. The job of the airbag doesn't end once it's inflated. What happens next is vital for safety. The gas quickly exits through the vent holes, leading to rapid deflation. This ensures that the driver's visibility isn't obstructed and they can move freely once the initial danger has passed. Airbags are designed to be a one-time safety measure. Once deployed, the system must be fully replaced by a certified technician before the vehicle is safe to drive again. Airbags are a life-saving technology, but they are designed to work in conjunction with seatbelts. Always buckle up to ensure the complete safety system can protect you in a crash.